So, we're back with another review. Well, not another review, the first review. Sauer M400 tread pistol. We back. Now, y'all seen me do the unboxing. Now I'm back for the review. Sauer. Look, I went to the West Palm Beach gun show, so you feel me? We got now, as y'all already know, the Sauer is from Nexus. For those who watched the first video, so I went and put the M-Bus MOE sights. I do have the Romeo 5 by time for the hood. Romeo 5 on there. See the tread logo. I am gonna change this out. I'm gonna change the stock out or the brace. I might put a beam, maybe not. But yeah, I shot about 50 shots through here. I didn't really shoot that much. I just got it. You feel me? Here's what I shot. 46 shots out of 50 hit the paper. 1 out of 46 missed. 45 hit the target out of 50 shots. 45 hit the target out of 50 shots. 1 miss out of 46. The other 4 didn't even hit the paper, but you know, 44 out of 50 hitting you. Headshot, chest shot, heart shot, all the shots. You just done for. I bought this little bag from the gun show. I just bought that, a bunch of bullets, the Romeo, M-Bus, MOE. Overall, at the range, it's a very good gun. It's a hell of a gun. Pretty accurate with the Romeo and the M-Bus. Can't go wrong. Definitely is gonna be my car gun. I don't have a truck. It's not a truck gun, it's a car gun. Got the Mercedes A220 2020. We'll do a review on that. It's a very nice ride. Ain't too much people driving 2020s. But yeah. Sauer. Shouts out to Sauer. Y'all did it, man. Feel me? Y'all definitely did it. I had to take the phone out. That's it for the review. Definitely a must-have gun. Definitely it's a must purchase. You see it, you grab it, you buy it, no matter what the price is. Let's go. Labanji, tune in, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that.